Taking a look at our monthly temperature reading. Now we are above average 4.5 degrees, and the rainfall, this is even worse because we're looking at a big deficit here by almost 3 inches. So we do have some much needed rain headed our way. It's going to come in 3 events, and we have this nor'easter that's in our immediate future that's going to come in a couple of parts. Starting off with some light rain, though, overnight, courtesy of a warm front. It'll be mild tomorrow as temperatures rise into the 70s, and then cooler for the rest of the week and staying a little bit unsettled toward the latter part of the week, leading into Halloween. So here is that warm front that I'm talking about. That's what's going to supply us with a few showers, mainly after about 10 p.m. or so. It'll start off light, and then following that, we do have that next round that's going to bring us a 2-part coastal system. This one this far out, we're also looking at, it's not in our coverage area, but this area of low pressure is really strong. It's fueled by this atmospheric river, so it's a moisture aloft that's helping to drive the system and bringing some record numbers out west, and will bring us some added conditions to our area. So let's take a look, and we'll time it all out for you. So you can see we're in the upper 50s right now. Temperatures are expected to rise here on out during the overnight period. Those are the showers that I'm talking about. Look how quickly it moved out. So by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, you're good to go. It'll be a little damp, a little slick, but this is the main event that arrives tomorrow after sunset, so closer to the 7, 8 o'clock hour. Look at these bright colors. These are the heavy downpours that we're talking about. This is what's going to bring us a flooding potential, because we'll have a lot of rain in a short amount of time. It goes through Tuesday mornings. I'm telling you now, Tuesday morning's commute will be a mess, because check out how it's firing up, especially across Nassau, Suffolk County, the 5 boroughs, southwestern Connecticut, the Hudson Valley in part seeing those heavy downpours as well. We do clear out, get a little bit of a lull, a little bit of a break by early Tuesday morning, but then by Tuesday afternoon, close to that evening rush after about 3 o'clock, that second round comes through, and that one won't be as heavy, but it will still be quite dangerous if you're going to be traveling with some slick roads and the conditions, winds picking up as well. We do dry out Wednesday morning, and our FUTURECAST rainfall totals, yeah, we've been looking at these numbers closely, up to a couple inches. Some areas may even see a few inches when all is said and done. A flood watch does go into effect tomorrow night into Tuesday. That could be upgraded, and that could be extended depending on how things go. And those winds will be gusting into the teens, the 20s, maybe even higher in spots. And we will leave you with our 7-day forecast.